Hey, want to learn a skill that can make you serious money? I'm talking about direct response video editing, especially for something called VSLs, or video sales letters. These are the videos that turn watchers into buyers. And guess what? You don't need fancy degrees or years of experience to get started. Businesses, course creators, and e-commerce brands are obsessed with VSLs because they work. And here's the good news. You can learn how to make them and cash in. Let me show you how. Step 1. Learn the basics of marketing. Here's the secret sauce. Great headlines, hooks that grab attention, and a clear call to action. These are everything in a VSL. Want examples? Check out marketing legends like Frank Kern or Russell Brunson. Watch what they do and take notes. Step 2. Get the right tools. Start simple with Canva or InVideo, perfect for beginners. Ready to go pro? Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve will take your skills to the next level. Learn how to add text, animations, and quick edits that keep people hooked. Step 3. Make your visuals pop. Bold text, fast edits, and pattern interrupts. These are those quick moments that keep viewers from zoning out. Trust me, they work. Step 4. Build your portfolio. Start small, find gigs on Fiverr or Upwork. Even if you're new, people need this skill. Once you've got a few projects under your belt, put them on a portfolio site like Vimeo or Behance. Let your work do the talking. Step 5. Connect with the right people. Join Facebook groups, LinkedIn communities, or Reddit forums about marketing and editing. Networking will open huge doors. People love to refer talented editors. Step 6. Prove your results. Clients don't just want a pretty video, they want results. Learn to use analytics tools like YouTube Studio to show how your videos drive clicks, conversions, and sales. Now let's talk about the money. Starting out, you'll make $50 to $150 per video. Mid-level editors, $300 to $1,000 for a 2 to 5 minute VSL, and top-tier pros, $2,000 to $10,000 or more per project. Here's where it gets even better. High-end clients might hire you on retainer, paying $2,000 to $5,000 every month for ongoing work. And don't forget upsells. Helping with funnels, A/B testing, or social media edits can earn you thousands more. Want to stand out? Be a one-stop shop. Offer editing plus script tweaks, voiceovers, or even funnel creation. And use tools like Descript to work faster and smarter. Pro tip, pick a niche, like e-commerce or online courses, and dominate it. Once you've got the skills, the sky's the limit. You could build a team, start an agency, or partner with clients to earn a percentage of their profits. The opportunities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Start learning direct response video editing today and turn your skills into a money-making machine. Hit that link and let's get started.